There's over 1 million people uninsured in Houston right now, today. 1 in 3 people are uninsured.
The numbers are truly staggering. And to think that there are people right here in our own community that are going untreated because they don't have access to adequate health care, I think is terrible.
You know, I used to have good money and I had my own businesses and got sick, and you know, when you go from a $100,000 job to drawing disability, you know, it's a big life change.
It affects the fiber of the entire city. I mean, everyone deserves access to good health care.
Legacy is there to take care of the underserved in Houston.
They truly offer the services to anyone that walks in the door, and they offer it at no or very little cost to the individual.
It covers everything, from eye care to overall health, well-being, to specific illnesses. And having the pharmacy right there, they make it so convenient, but you really don't know how they help the community until you see it firsthand.
Everything's sort of basically under one roof.
Before Legacy actually began providing services here, most of us as residents who needed the services had to go outside of the Fifth Ward area.
A lot of our people in the community had to go to the other clinics where you sit. You don't know if you're going to be seen. Then you have to wait some more for your medication. You don't know if you're going to get your medication that day. So, you know, coming here and putting this clinic in this area made a big, big difference.
You can walk in, get your care, walk out with your medications, and go home and hopefully get better.
Legacy is actually an organization that takes care of the entire family, from geriatrics to pediatrics. The entire family is taken care of.
I'm a big advocate for children's causes. You want the best care possible for your children. And there are a lot of mothers out there who don't have the means to pay for it. So it's so important to have Legacy and mothers have a place to take their children.
I was hooked when I saw firsthand the respect and the kind treatment they gave to a very close friend of mine.
When you go to a place for help and they treat you with respect, it sort of lightens your life a little bit. You know, it gives you a little more encouragement to live and to move forward.
It's very important that we keep our services at a very high quality and that everybody who walks through our doors gets that big hug.
I have a 14-year-old son. He had to have a physical. Dr. Levine performed the physical for Simon, and a little over a year later we came back for another physical, and Dr. Levine was the same doctor who provided that physical for him, and Dr. Levine remembered him. He remembered a year ago, and that really kind of did something for me personal.
One thing we believe in very strongly at Legacy is treating the whole person, not just treating a disease, so that all of the needs of the patient are met, and that provides with a much better health outcome for the patient.
I got tested in September of '97, and I was negative. In November of '97, I had full-blown AIDS. I got down 2 years ago of knocking on death's door. My roommate got me involved with Legacy. It's different from any other healthcare facility I've been through. It's like you walk in and then somebody's going to take you under their wing and guide you through every phase of the process. And now I'm undetectable. So I'm doing very good. And it's all because of Legacy. I'm alive. If Legacy wasn't here, I'd be dead by now.
I believe everyone should do their part in helping Legacy.
When people donate their time and money to Legacy, they are providing quality health care to the community.
Everyone deserves access to good health care, and we're all responsible. I mean, we're not in this alone.
I'd like to see life continue, and legacy helps life continue.